Okay, let's begin with question number 14 of your textbook, that is, show that root mean square velocity of an oxygen molecule. Root mean square velocity of oxygen molecule is, that is, equal to root 2 times, that is multiplication, that of a sulfur dioxide molecule at standard temperature pressure. STP means standard temperature and standard pressure. So that is root mean square velocity of sulfur dioxide. This is what we need to prove. This. So first we'll be starting with formula of root mean square velocity, and the formula of root mean square velocity is under root 3 RT upon m naught, that is molar mass of the gas. So I have written that formula. Root mean square velocity is under root 3 RT upon m naught. So first we'll be needing molar mass for oxygen molecule and molar mass for sulfur dioxide molecule. For oxygen, molecular weight is 16. Here we have 2 molecules of oxygen. So multiplying with 2 into 16 gives me 32. So for oxygen, molar mass is 32. So this is obtained. Now for sulfur dioxide, for oxygen, even for oxygen we have obtained, that is 32. Now we need molecular weight for sulfur, and molecular weight for sulfur is 32. Yes, 32. Am I right? Yes, I am right. For sulfur it is 32. So 32, here it is sulfur dioxide. So for sulfur 32 plus for oxygen 32 gives me 64. So here we have obtained molar mass for sulfur dioxide. Now let's start the calculation, putting them or substituting them in the formula. So VRMS for oxygen will be 3 RT upon m naught. M naught for oxygen is 32. Okay. Now upon VRMS for sulfur dioxide. So that is 3 RT upon molecular mass for sulfur dioxide is 64. Now what will happen? This 3 will get cancelled. R is universal gas constant. T temperature, it is standard temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius. So this temperature also gets cancelled. What remains with me? That is 1 upon 32 and 1 upon 64. That can be written as if I'll take in the numerator, if I'll take this in the numerator, it will flip. So it is 1 upon 32 into 1 upon 64. So it flips. That is 64 upon 1, which is nothing but VRMS for oxygen upon VRMS for sulfur dioxide. So now let's start calculation. Can do it over here. So this is nothing but root of 64 upon root of 32. Root of 64 upon root of 32. So I can write them in a single square root. Yeah, see, it is same. So root of 64 upon root of 32. So I'll write them in a same. 32 ones are 32 twos are 64. So what is obtained? Root 2. That is VRMS for oxygen upon VRMS for sulfur dioxide. That can be written as VRMS for oxygen is equal to root 2 VRMS for sulfur dioxide. Yes, it is obtained. This was asked to obtain root 2 times into VRMS of sulfur dioxide, root 2 times into VRMS of sulfur dioxide.